The duration to the nearest minute of 300 consultations with a doctor are shown in the table below. So we know the total here is 300. Complete the table below from the information given. Well, we can see the first T, which is 2 minutes. Note these were given to the nearest minute, means the time must be between 1.5 and 2.5. So we can see that this is going to be 3.5 is less than or equal to T is less than 4.5, 4 minutes. And then 4.5 is less than or equal to T is less than 5 minutes. 5.5 is less than or equal to T is less than 6. And when I say 5, 5.5, 6.5. And then 6.5 less than or equal to T is less than 7.5 for the 7 minutes. We now want the relative frequency. So that's the frequency divided by the total. Well, the first one is clearly 0.1. I might need the calculator for some of the others. So we have 96 divided by 300. So that's 0.32. 48 divided by 300 is 0.16. 84 divided by 300 is 0.28. And 27 divided by 300 is 0.09. Finally, 15 divided by 300 gives us 0.05. We now want to draw a relative frequency histogram. So if we look at it, our first one goes from 1.5 to 2.5. And the height is 0.1. So 1.5 to 2.5 with a height of 0.1. So that's going to go just here. And then the next one goes from 2.5 to 3.5 with a height of 0.32. So that's going to go to there. Like so. 0.16 from 3.5 to 4.5. Then 0.28. So that's about there. And then 0.09. And then finally, just going off the side of the graph actually, 0.05. So something like that. What is the total area of the bars in the histogram? Well, all of these widths are 1, so it's just going to be the sum of the heights. Now, we can add them up to show that this is the case, but remember, these numbers added to 300, we divided each of them by 300, so the total there must be 1. Use the histogram to estimate the probability that a consultation takes more than 5.5 minutes. So, 5.5 minutes. That's just here. And so what we're going to have is all of this bar, and 5.5 minutes, I'd put that at 5. So 5.5 minutes is actually exactly on that line there. So we want all of this bar and all of this bar, so that's just going to be 0.09 plus 0.05, which is 0.14. Now, there's a significance to the fact that we did area. We could have also got this result by taking these two values from the table. And there's also a significance that the total area adds up to 1. Remember, the probability of a certainty is 1. So what we've explored here is a couple of features of continuous random variables.